Hey guys, today I want to show you something very interesting. So we have an orchestral piece here. It sounds like this. So there's this very deep, low thing going on, and the client has provided me with a loop. Obviously it's for game music, so you can see between those markers it's looping here. So what's happening to this low tone is the following. He exported from Logic, and he exported without any flash. So this means the loops are cut hard here at the end and also at the beginning, so I cannot pull it larger than it is. How does it sound like? So you hear this? It's clicking, okay? So it will never work as a perfect loop. Why? Because if we look more closely at the end, the wave is in mid-air, and it's happening with these very low signals. They're so low that we do not cut at this zero transition, but the wave is in mid-air and at the beginning of the sample. I cannot even zoom more in here on Cubase. It's also starting on mid-air, as you can see here. Okay, I hope everybody can see this. What's happening now? It's just not working. It will always click. So what we can do is maybe loop this down. Fade this down, and here also fade this up. But then we have this drop in volume. I test the loop. It's still plopping, and it's still. So this is totally problematic. We have to find a workaround for this. So even in the composition with these low tones, I don't know what I do now. Maybe I fade this out like completely and then bring it up again. So the looping with these low signals is kind of not possible. And even then, especially if you have beatings, like two very low signals coming together, then it's even more problematic. So that's it for now. So take care with those low signals and looping. Have a good one. Ciao.